According to the most recent long-term forecast, Bitcoin SV will reach $50 by the middle of 2028 and $75 by the middle of 2034. Bitcoin SV price forecast for 2023 and 2024. Bitcoin SV cost began 2023 at 41.07 and is currently exchanging at 40.98, a decrease of 0% from the start of the year. Bitcoin SV costs are anticipated to be 41.47 by year's end, a 1% increase from today's price. Bitcoin SV costs are anticipated to drop to 37.63 in the first half of 2024, before adding 1.46 and closing the year at 39.99, a 5% increase from the present price. For subsequent to days and months: Monday, July 17, 40.98, Tuesday, July 18, 40.99, Wednesday, July 19, 40.99, Thursday, July 20, 40.99, and Friday, July 21, 21 St 40.99. Between Saturday, July 22 ND 41 and Sunday, July 23 RD 40, Monday, July 17, 41 August 1540, when 8 francs were in circulation. September 1540 when $0.17 were in circulation. October 1540 earned $1.25. November 1540 when $0.34 were in circulation. December 15,401.43. This 5-year period between 2025 and 2029 is anticipated to be prosperous for Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV price would increase by 36%, from 39.9 cents to 53.14 cents. Bitcoin SV will begin 2025 at 39.99, then surge to 39.54 in the first half of the year, and end 2025 at 34.19, which is 17 from today's price. Bitcoin SV forecast 2030 to 2034. During this period, the Bitcoin SV price will increase from 53.14 to 78.37, which is an increase of 47. Bitcoin SV will begin 2030 at 53.14, rise to 55.75 in the first half of the year, and end the year at 59.10, an increase of 44 from today's price. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2023 to 2024. Bitcoin SV cost began 2023 at 41.07. Today, Bitcoin SV exchanged at 24.16, so the cost decreased by 41 from the start of the year. Bitcoin SV costs are anticipated to finish 2023 at 30.268, with a year-over-year change of 20 and a rise from today to year-end of 35. In 2023, we anticipate seeing 31.21 cents per Bitcoin SV. In the first portion of 2024, the Bitcoin SV cost will move to 32.83, and in the last Bitcoin SV anticipates that between 2025 and 2029, there will be an increase. Bitcoin SV cost would increase by 34%. From $28.19 to $37.85. Bitcoin SV will begin 2025 at 28.19, drop to 25.96 in the first half of the year, and end 2025 at 24.30, which is an increase of 1% from today's price. Bitcoin SV anticipation for 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Bitcoin SV price would increase from 37.85 to 45.62, a 21% increase. Bitcoin SV would begin 2030 at 37.85, then surge to $40.12 in the first half of the year, and conclude at 39.68, a 64% increase from today's 6-to-1 2023 price. Bitcoin SV cost began in 2023 at 41.07. Today, Bitcoin SV exchanged at 32.64, so the cost decreased by 21 from the start of the year. The predicted Bitcoin SV costs toward the finish of 2023 is 37.27, and the year-over-year change 9%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 14% in 2023. We anticipate seeing 35.59 per 1 Bitcoin SV in the principal portion of 2024. The Bitcoin SV cost will move to 37.44 in the last segment. The cost will move to 38 Bitcoin SV, predicted that between 2025 and 2029, these 5 years would see an increase. Bitcoin SV price would move from 32.15 to 43.16. A 34% increase. Bitcoin SV will begin 2025 at 32.15, drop to 29.61 in the first half of the year, and end 2025 at 27.71, which is 15 from today's price. Bitcoin SV forecast 2030 to 2034. During this period, the Bitcoin SV price will increase from 43.00 and 16 cents to 52.00 and 2 cents, a 21% increase. Bitcoin SV will begin 2030 at 43.16, then surge to 45.75 in the first half of the year, and end 2030 at 45.25, which is approximately plus 39 from today's price. 5/15/2023 Bitcoin SV value expectation 2023 to 2024 Bitcoin SV cost began 2023 at 41.07 and is currently exchanging at 35.77, a decline of 13% from the beginning of the year. Bitcoin SV costs are anticipated to finish 2023 at 37.31, a change of 9% from the beginning of the year. The rise from today to year-end will be 4%. We anticipate seeing 35.91 per Bitcoin SV in the first half of 2024, with the cost moving to 37.74 in the last quarter. These 5 years, 2025 to 2020.9, are anticipated to bring an increase in Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV price would rise from 32.63 to 57.14. An increase of 75%. Bitcoin SV will begin 2025 at 32.63, then surge to 34.26 in the first half of the year, and end 2025 at 38.67, an increase of 8% from today's price. Bitcoin SV predicts that between 2030 and 2034, the price of Bitcoin SV will increase by 45%, from $57.14 to $83.04, for a total gain of $83.04. Bitcoin SV will begin the year at 57.14 cents and drop to 55.52 cents in the first half of 2030. Bitcoin falls after news that Binance will lay off 1,000 workers. After the news that Binance was letting people go, the price of Bitcoin dropped by more than 2.7%. The price of Bitcoin dropped sharply on Saturday after reports that the biggest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, let go of about 1,000 employees, and the layoffs could continue. After the news